we shall see the process of how to generate Recruitment Consolidated report. This report gives you complete snapshot, which means you can see each MRF's current status, which MRF raised for budgeted or which was raised not budgeted vacancy, who approved/disapproved which MRF and on which date, which MRF was opened for iRise, IGAP, job portal or website career page, who was the interviewer. All these details you can find in a single report. The steps to follow are fairly straightforward. Log into PromptHR. Click on Hire icon. Choose Recruiter role from left-hand side. Now click on Consolidated Report. For customizing your report you can choose country, company, business, business unit/division, department, function, work location, etc. Here, in this example, selecting these work locations. And these sites. Select date type. Enter from and to dates. Select screen. If you want to see this report on your computer screen only, basically it is quick view. Scroll to right for viewing more details. Or click Excel if you want to export it in Excel.